Hi, this is Mrs. Labiak in the library, and today I'm going to show you how to access one of our databases, which I've made bookmarks with, and then I'm also going to talk about searching Google or using Google for your search engine. Um, as you're looking at this document, you'll see step one is to find resources and locate information. What you all need to make sure you're doing, because you're going to be doing a works cited page, is that once you find the piece of information that you would like to use, you're going to come to step one. In the first column, you'll put the article title and author if there is one, the name of the resource that you use. It could be a database, it could be a website, and then you're also going to make sure that you have a clickable link to the article. So if you have not thought about doing your MLA citations, that's going to get you a vehicle to get back to it so you can create your citations. So that's number one. Number two, is actually using the resources. If you click right here, I've made bookmarks that access articles in our Gale database. And they're all articles. Well, you'll have to actually look through the article titles and choose articles for yourself. But it's a nice way to access databases with literally the click of one click. You'll see in the blue is going to be your topic. All of the resources are coming from Student Resources and Context, which is a database provided by Gale. So when I look through, I see the second one. So my topic might be Belgium colonizing the Congo. I gave you other words that you might think about searching in addition to the Congo. And when you open up one of these links, I literally am going to click on the second link. It brings up a drop down menu, and that's where I actually go and have access to the database. This one actually opens up to an article. Some of the other links will open up to a page with multiple resources, and that's where you'll need to read through and pick the article that you would like to use. This one talks about the unrest and assassination that happened in Congo. And as you read down, you'll notice that there's a fair amount of information in this article. So let's say that you really don't want to read this entire article. You want to go ahead and get right to what you're looking for. So what you can do is, if you use your control button and F at the exact same time, you'll see a little window opens up. You can also, if you don't remember how to do that, and actually I don't think I can do it, so I'm going to do Control F again as my shortcut. And then I'm going to start typing in the word Belgium. As you start typing, it's going to start looking, even though I haven't completed the word, it's already started looking for my letters. And you'll notice that some of them are Belgium. And then you actually have some that are Belgian. So I'm going to stop right here and just put in the BELG. Good enough. And then every single place that shows up, it's going to take me to. So that's a really nice way to, if you have a very long article, to get to write what you're looking for, the specific words. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll notice that they have a further readings and bibliography. That's always shows good research. This person wrote this article, but they had to go and consult other sources to write the article. And you'll notice they have quite a few sources that they had to consult just to write this one article. So that's how you can get to articles in Gale with my bookmarks. So once you use it, what can you do with it? First thing you're going to want to do is download. It's really great because it goes right to Google Drive. So I'm going to bullet save to Google Drive. I'm going to download it. And it tells me that's been sent to my drive. Now I'm going to go to my drive and find my article. So here's my drive. Oh, just showed up. It's Student Resources and Context. It's the Gale database. So I'm going to open that article up. And then there's my article. If I want to go and put my clickable link into my research paper where I'm taking my notes, I can right click. I can get shareable link. Usually you have to turn the sharing on. And then I'm going to go and I can view this article. So I'm going to Control C. I'm going to go back to my document that I'm working from. In body 2, here I'm using this, so I'm going to Control V. There's my clickable link. And then if I just hit the space bar, it makes it a live link. And then here's my source information that I can go back and get my works cited from. And then here are the notes that I'm going to take that go with the article that I'm using. So when you guys do that, you really need to remember that you need to either have a clickable link or the MLA citation already done for you. So I'm going to go back to my Gale article. Actually, I'm going to close out because I already used that. And then I can go back to my document and find other sources that I can use. The next thing I'm going to quickly show you, if I have enough time, is searching Google. Here you can see my search. I put in South Africa in quotes. I'm going to force it to find those two words together. If I didn't do that, it would find the word South and the word Africa anywhere on the page. Then I have the Netherlands. I want to know about them colonizing it. And I am forcing it to only look at EDU or college websites. You can use site : and then your domain, which is the EDU. And then when I looked the first time and got my results, I had a lot of websites about apartheid, and I also had a lot about the British. I want to know about the Netherlands colonizing South Africa. So I have put a minus sign by apartheid and a minus sign in front of British, and it's going to force it to not find those words in articles. And as you scroll down, you'll notice that every single website is an EDU website. Now, of course, at this point, you're still going to have to do your own searching and looking and reading and finding information, but that's an easier way to weed out some of the stuff that you don't have to look through, and just to get better results. Hopefully you all have a success with this, and if you ever have any questions or need assistance with anything, just remember Miss Leary and I are here to help. And the very last thing you all need to know, when you're Googling or you're using Bing and you're looking for just websites, these are the 3 things you always need to ask yourself. The first one, who wrote it? Who is the author? The second one, when was it created or updated? That's really important. And then who is sponsoring the site? If you do not know the answer to these, then you should go ahead and move beyond the site and find other sites that you think would be relevant to you.